All right, without getting too gruesome, these have to be some of the best traps that I've ever used. They're in this housing. The housing comes up and you've got the bait and the trap in there. The critter is going to come in and get trapped in here. Very clean. Now I can pull this out of the house. Let's go ahead and empty it. It really does its job well. This clamps down and does the job of dispatching the critter. As you see, it left the bait, and now that it's ready to go, it's triggered. Now I can pull this down and close it. Now if you've got dogs or other critters, they can sniff this, they can bump it over and flip the trap, but they can't get in there and get hurt at all. So this is a really nice one. It's very clean, one of my favorites so far, and it's been working very effectively. This is the third or fourth one so far.